Abusia, by a few Brini and a former president, Flight Lieutenant General John Rawlings, a female, and if you're female, a bay who a Ghana defobi and Oyana beaches, a wab pay a free mono, a be answer as a chassis, and also woman to me, Amma Mountain, so Amma Budi say, as soon as see and ask what been table, say, no, no, Eka say, Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah and I think Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe. Only no abedi enkomo e dia fa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings ni wo awu ye no e mebi atwam ne esi ye ma papa no sadwe wonam so de hwe e bi kwa e kire se president Owusu no kwa nensa e hya asem na so evidence bia e ni what to that effect nse busu amensa wo be ma yenko ne enkote ensem a Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ene Dr. Nyaho Tamakloe e bedi ya na nkoma wo bedi ye e de fa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings ni wo awu ye be 5 years egu a ene e na asan kopja e de aba
Tamils. Musra musi JB dankwa yiye no ewuo no woso ma pani ni ahwehwem. Na wo atamils ewu ye no wa me ahwehwem. Ba usam funi free okọ.
Osofo Owusu Bempah. Nanu ye omu am say asem brechi kese abo me. Papa is winning ne kakra. Former president Flight Lieutenant General John Rawlings. Ni we. Oh, but first of all, me say and some Rawlings we ho.
And some of them pa. Memo bin tremble bin ka say a natural death. Enya ne natural death. And near me be NDC 4 year be nyame ichire me. Ade bi asa papa no o ma pani John Dramani mama o ye bia nyame ichire me. With all respect. The atene say ya papa pa kwesi mi sata. Me ya asore na Awurade kasa kire me say bosumi dunto no 10th month ento. Enti onkonko hu na sofo no mo mpae ma no na so gi asema make hu achinyi ni de nyame ayi a kire
former vice president.
Yeah, former vice president no akosi emisata o gi asema ya nyame ayi a kire mi hu achinyi a ebeto no ama ebe no wawa manka so omra mi hu me so de onkonko hu ne sofo na ne sofo mo mpae ma na ntesa 10th month ento no e wa asase we see so o man take me serious NDC for kra be di matem ye trosa ne see wa ngu kwa. There is something. Asemoho. Ya papa Rawlings obiya hu video nyame fa me so professor e kan ni wu na sem.
Former president Rawlings.
Yes. Video no ho.
I see.
Sir.
Yeah.
Ma mu ni din say papa Rawlings but me say ex president na oye NDC president. Me na minim so no but Ghana han say duru tem bia wunya revelation na kana kobodin a wa hwe ya na nkrofo di watem. Eso so ye mo ye trim se abekasa me Owusu Bempah de bi hu na meka enti nkrofo di matem me me dan yo me adon mai na me nya revelation bi nne na meka ansa na ye free hako enu nti papa ya papa ni wu no bibi ekoso hwe enkrofo bi anom champagne because of papa ni wu nti jubilate secretly ayo mo de
ya bo se wo ho
but o mo ba bontia no mo pretend say e ha wo mo so wonim akoma nipa koma
yeah
good akoma enum champagne na ejubilate me hu akoma yensa
enipa koma
enum champagne na ejubilate na me hu say papa Rawlings eda ho na o mani age na akoma na ejubilate na o mu bose akoma me yensa me tiase pa na me jitum se onipa bi do tumi chi nipa nkwa na so tumi no nyada kosi so be we free asasi.
Nothing is happening and these people are working freely.
They say they have oral. Oral is prosecuting a number of these people.
What has the oral done? Tell me what is done so far. Maybe I don't know. When Kufuor came to power, I am a stout NPP man. A lot of malfeasance were detected in the previous administration of the NDC. A special court was put in place.
Yes.
People were arrested, detained, prosecuted, and sent to jail, including very prominent people in this country.
Yes.
Within a short period that the new administration came. What are we seeing now?
You don't see the willpower to prosecute?
You tell me anyone who has been prosecuted successfully, as we sit down now, when this new government came into power. You show me one person.
So you don't think that oral ultimately will be able to successfully?
Look, if you want to test the salinity of a salt, you have to put it in your mouth. If you don't do that, you will never know the salinity of that particular salt, because salt comes from different areas. You made mention of oral, and believe me, and these days I don't talk like an MPP or CPP or no. My interest is in this nation, how this nation can move forward. There were a lot of accusations against people who were in the previous administration. The impression some of us even had that some of the accusations were so naked, you can see straight that this is an offense that has been committed. We have the government has been in existence for 1 year plus.
Yes.
Not a single person, one single person has been successfully prosecuted. Then you ask yourself, the thousands of them, are they even going to be called at all? So that is my biggest concern. If people who steal state property, money for the people, are arrested, prosecuted successfully, and jailed, that would be a huge deterrent to politicians. I remember a few hours after the passing on of Jerry John Rawlings, early in the morning, I had a visit from a journalist.
Okay.
He came, opened his phone, and I have it on my phone right now. It's almost 5 years now.
Yes.
Then, reading it, it has been stated there clearly that I was Rawlings' physician, and that when he fell ill, I was called, went to his house to have a look at him. And I suggested that he should be moved to Nyaho Clinic. And the wife, late Konado Ajman Rawlings, I regret strongly that that lady is no more, particularly because of this story. The wife disagreed with me that Rawlings should be moved to Kolebu.
These are still the claims.
These are claims. I'm talking about claims.
Yes.
None of what I have said so far is true. So you have to ask yourself, why should a group of people formulate such a thing? They have a reason. So Rawlings should be moved from how the story is narrated, that Konadu was against my suggestion that he should be sent to Nyaho Clinic and he should be moved to Kolebu. Then within a short time, 2 doctors came from Kolebu to join me in looking after Rawlings. And the doctors allegedly are said to have been sent by Akufo-Addo. So when I read it, I felt so bad and very sad. So right in front of the journalist, I called my cousin, who was then running Nyaho Clinic, a young doctor.
Dr. Tamakloe.
And I said, Doc, Elikam is called.
Yeah.
Has go through our records and see, because when I spent my time there with the founder of the clinic, my late uncle,
Yes.
I have not seen Rawlings anywhere near the clinic. Find out if somewhere along the line he has been brought there. And this was during the COVID period. He came back and told me that there's nothing like that. I say, just most recent, he said, he has checked, there's nothing like that. So the journalist advised that I should respond immediately, because these have gone all over the world. And it's true, people called me.
Yes.
As far as from Australia. Now, what I have narrated to you is a complete fallacy, lies. I have never been Rawlings' doctor. I've never been to Rawlings' house, residence. Never, ever.
You never went to his residence?
Never, ever. And these are facts. I have not even given Rawlings any attention in an emergency case as a doctor. Rawlings was in the Air Force most of the time in Takoradi. I was in the infantry.
Okay.
Here, either in one battalion of infantry, and my next battalion was 5 battalion of infantry. I have not come across Rawlings anywhere. Indeed, even though Rawlings is a relation, because Rawlings' grandmother
Yes.
was a granddaughter of Nyaho Tamakloe the first, my great-great-grandfather.
And Rawlings' mother was your auntie.
Yes, she was my auntie. Rawlings' mother was my auntie. So I asked myself, who can falsify such a thing? They might have a reason. And the reason is quite simple. I have to find out certain things about Rawlings' illness and what led to his death. Because certain things took place. Firstly, the impression we were given as a public was that Rawlings died of COVID-19. Yes. I check it, cross-check it with my own cousin, his own cousin too, Michael Susudis, may he rest in peace.
Yes.
And it was a lie. He had 2 tests and they came out negative. As I have stated in the book. That's point number 1. A man of Rawlings' caliber and level, a former president, cannot die without autopsy being done. And I have said, if an autopsy has been done, they should bring it out.
So that the nation sees it.
It's getting to 1 year now, nobody has come forward. You follow me?
Yes.
So autopsy can tell us exactly what killed Jerry John Rawlings, especially if they do what we call chemical pathology. All these things, if they have done them, they should come forward. Thirdly, from what I was told by my cousin, Michael Susudis, may he rest in peace, that 5 nurses who were looking after Jerry John Rawlings at Kolebu, the moment he passed on, they all disappeared. They were taken out of the country.
And I got quite intrigued when I read that.
And I'm coming. Let me line them up so I don't get confused. The nurses disappeared. If the nurses are around, they should come forward. 5th, there were 2 military officers. I know them personally. They know me too, as I've stated in the book.
The captains?
But 2 captains. But for a lot of reasons, I'm holding the name for the meantime. Because I've asked government to set up an independent commission of inquiry to find out what really killed Rawlings. The captains met just after his death. And they shook hands and said, mission accomplished. That means a lot. It's a military balance. That means a lot. Rawlings, to me, didn't die through COVID. He didn't die through COVID. Who planned and have Rawlings eliminated, one day will come out.
Is it just because...
Because if it is not a planned thing, you ask yourself, why should I be connected with it? Because if people got to know earlier that I was part of it, they might probably calm their tempers down. That is the whole thing.
As I was saying, we any community so the former president ni wulu e wona so besi mesabe ya yenya bi enko ani mungo bisa se nipa so mesi ana so benten ho e na ye ko akoko bisa ensem no ni agemu enchimu ankasa nsem so ye ni de nsem na chi ni besa pef ma babia na e mama so emu wo e besa ba na ye de ababa so mu mesre so buja comment e wo comment section ho e de amami all the social media handles no e too much gh or subscribe like no wa share na akoko so enye bi ahwe makra.